Have you ever felt like you're searching for a needle in a digital haystack? You're looking for that one specific thing, but the internet just throws a million things back at you. It can be super overwhelming. Well, today, we're going to crack the code that professional recruiters use to find exactly what they're looking for almost instantly. So how do they do it? Let's get into it. I mean, seriously, think about it. When you're looking for a job online, it's like you're dropped into this massive digital jungle. There are millions of listings, tons of duplicates, and so many irrelevant posts. It feels like it's designed to be confusing. But what if you had a map and a secret language to just cut right through all that noise?
Okay, so first things first. You gotta know where to look. The pros don't just wander around aimlessly. They go to very specific places. They start with a really good map of the territory, and for recruiters, especially in IT, that map is made up of dedicated job portals.
So what is a job portal, really? The easiest way to think about it is like a digital marketplace. On one side, you've got the supply, that's the talent, the skills, the consultants. And on the other side, you have the demand, all the job openings. The portal is just the platform that connects those two. Simple as that.
And what's really interesting is that this map is pretty specialized. In the tech world, recruiters rely on a handful of key players, and each one has its own special power. Dice.com is the #1 spot for IT roles. It even lets you filter by visa type, which is huge. Monster is a massive general database. Career Builder is great for corporate jobs. LinkedIn is all about making those direct human connections. And Indeed? Well, Indeed is the king of volume, but you have to know how to filter out the noise.
But here's the thing. Knowing where to look is only half the battle. The real magic, the secret code we've been talking about, is knowing how to search. And this is where we get into a technique that will completely change the way you look for anything online. It's called Boolean search.
At its core, Boolean search is just a really simple way of using a few special words and symbols to give a search engine very specific instructions. So instead of getting thousands of kinda-sorta what you wanted results, you get just a handful of results that are exactly what you were looking for. It's the difference between using a giant fishing net and, a laser-guided harpoon.
So here it is, the toolkit that makes it all happen. Think of these as command words for the search engine. Using AND is like telling it, hey, I need you to find results that have both of these things. Or gives it a choice, like either one of these is fine. Not is your shield. It blocks things you don't want. Perfect for when you're searching for the programming language Java and you want to make sure you don't get JavaScript. Quotation marks lock in an exact phrase. And parentheses? Well, they're the secret sauce for grouping all these commands together to do something really powerful.
All right, so we've got the map, and now we've got the code. Let's see how recruiters take these simple little operators and build what's called a search string, a command that can pinpoint the perfect candidate or the perfect opportunity with just incredible precision.
Here's a classic real-world scenario. A recruiter needs to find someone very specific. They're looking for a DevOps engineer or maybe a site reliability engineer who knows both AWS and Kubernetes. And they have to be located in one of 4 specific states on the East Coast. You can imagine, a normal search for this would be a complete mess.
And boom, here's the result. This is the search string a recruiter builds using that simple toolkit we just looked at. I know, it looks a little complex at first, but just watch how logical it all is once you know the code. Let's just break that down piece by piece. First, they use OR and quotes to find people with either of those 2 exact job titles. Then, they use AND to say they must have a cloud skill, using OR again for abbreviations like AWS. They tack on another required skill with AND Kubernetes. And finally, they use AND with another group list to lock in the location. See, each piece has a clear, logical job to do.
Okay, this is all cool for recruiters, right? But why does any of this matter to you? Because this isn't just a recruiting tool. This is a search superpower that you can use for absolutely anything, for school, for shopping, and especially for your own job search.
So what does this all mean for you in the end? It means you save a ton of time. It means you cut through all the junk, you get rid of the noise, and you find exactly what you're looking for way faster. It puts you in the driver's seat of the search engine, not the other way around. And here's a little pro tip. Knowing how recruiters search also tells you how to write your own resume so you can pack it with the right keywords to make sure they find you.
So, this secret code isn't a secret anymore. It's yours now. You have the map, and you have the language to find pretty much anything online with total precision. The only question left is, what are you going to go find first?